Driving in Australia with Lezgin music. How did you find it?
What music?
Lezgin, Lezgistan. Dagestan. Now I need a wife behind of the car. I have a house. I have a car. Now I need the last things, wife. Nice. I have a good friend. Now I need a good wife. Muslim wife. Covered. Hijab. Good Muslim girl. That's it. And my life will be inshallah perfect. And 10 lovers. Australia.